Hi guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you the process of how I uploaded my point of view video on YouTube. I took my point of view video from on my phone, just using like the video feature on it, so it's pretty simple. But I just thought I'd give a quick tutorial about how I uploaded it. So if I just go into my channel videos on YouTube, you can see that I already uploaded it, but I'll just do an example one. So I'm going to go here, select files, and then I'm just going to click on the file that has my video, just choose it. And it's pretty simple. You just give it a title, example, video, this is an example of how to upload video on YouTube. And it's just processing. So once it's done processing and everything, you'll be able to, it'll generate like different thumbnail options for you that you can do. And then you can say if it's made for kids or not. You can add tags, language, whatever you want, category. And then once it's like fully processed, I'll just say yes. Once it's fully processed and you click the thumbnail that you want, video elements, I don't really have anything that I want to add. And then once that's done, you can just make it public, or you could schedule when you want it to be posted, and you just publish it. Since I already uploaded this and this is just an example, I'm not really gonna upload it, but then after you had done on that, it would be published and it would show up here in your channel videos. So yeah, that was basically it. I hope this helped, and I hope you guys have fun if you do the point of view assignment. I made it so it would fit my assignment and I could get stars. And also I thought it was like a fun assignment to complete if you were doing video assignments. I don't think there's one like it. So yeah, have fun. Thank you.